Well, New York has put out a plea for healthcare workers to come from other states and help us on the front lines. Well, the response has been huge, but as investigative reporter Sarah Wallace found out, some Good Samaritans are running into some roadblocks.
Packing for New York.
In Denver, Colorado, Dawn Butler is packing up what she'll need for the next month, ready to return to NYU Hospital, where she spent years in the late 1990s working as an ICU nurse before moving west.
Just sitting here and knowing how hard the nurses were working, and just the people of New York, I mean, they need healthcare workers. And so I just decided I want to go.
Butler, who will treat COVID-19 patients, doesn't know Dr. COMILLA SASSON, an emergency medicine physician in nearby Lakewood, Colorado. But the two felt the same calling. SASSON will work out of a New York City field hospital.
Do you have any hesitation about putting yourself in danger?
Yeah, I mean, I'm panicked, I'm anxious, I'm terrified, I'm hopeful. I feel like the sense of duty.
SASSON was on duty the night of the Aurora Theater shootings in 2012, but this mission is different. Now she has two little children.
You know, it's hard because I have a 3-year-old and a 5-year-old, and I'm leaving my husband with both of them for at least 2 weeks, plus another 2-week quarantine. If I end up staying longer than that.
Butler, a single mom of a teenage daughter, has asked her parents to step in.
What are you most worried about?
I am worried that she will get very sick and that I can't be there for her.
But you support what she's doing?
Yes, 100%.
But there's a wrinkle, finding a place to stay in New York City. Butler says NYU Hospital doesn't arrange housing, and she hasn't been able to find hotels to work with her.
I don't even think this is going to work out. Housing is $3,000 and I can't. That's all I'm finding. It's just so difficult, and it's so frustrating and stressful. And I want to be there.
It should be easier, is what you're saying.
Correct. Yes.
We asked the mayor about that problem.
Anyone who's coming in, we want to get them accommodation, make sure that what they need is covered, or anything that they pay out that we need to get reimbursed, we will.
The good news, late today, Butler found a place through a corporate housing company, ABA Ideal, providing first responders furnished apartments at a fraction of the usual cost.
I'm so grateful.
Nurse Butler will arrive here in the tri-state on Easter Sunday, Dr. Sasson on Monday. They've promised to keep sharing their experiences with us. Sarah Wallace, News 4 New York.